Hey Prestaholic gang, welcome back. Today we are reviewing the Melodysusie 2-in-1 LED nail lamp, and I've been using this lamp for about a month, so of course this is my complete honest review, and a special thank you to Melodysusie for sending it over. That way we can review it. And if you are new here, then please don't forget to like and subscribe to this video, or this channel I should say. And yeah, let's get started. Of course, the product is going to arrive in the signature Melodysusie packaging, which I absolutely love. They always keep it super classic and overall just really nice packaging, and it's been like this ever since the beginning of Melodysusie, so I always really appreciate it. And the product itself came really nicely packaged in this plastic, and it also came with the manual, which basically will tell you everything about the product, and yeah, that comes in every package. First thing that I noticed when I opened it was that the base of this nail lamp is pretty heavy. It has a lot of weight to it, so you would not have to worry about it tipping over or taking up a lot of space, even because the base was actually a decent size. And I absolutely love that it has a flexible tube, so it's an adjustable multi-angle LED lamp, and I actually didn't know that it's rechargeable, and it says on the website that 2.5 hours of charge will give you 6 hours of use. And what makes it a 2-in-1 is that it's a lamp and a LED light, which I thought was honestly an amazing idea and something that I wish was available when I was first starting my nail journey, because if you didn't know, I started on my kitchen table making press-on nails, and I know that a lot of you basically start the same way. You have a small space and you're just looking for something that can give you light while working at the same time of giving you an LED lamp. That way you just have a limited amount of space. That way this doesn't take up so much space, and that's really why I thought that it was such an amazing product. Aside from its size and overall convenience, it also has the touch switch on the top, which will go from the regular light to the LED light, and you will also have your charging indicator, which is the little light above the on and off button. You will also have a charging jack, which honestly was perfect because you can either plug it in or you could plug it into like a power supply or my laptop, which is what I do. I usually just charge it up and just let it be. Honestly, having a product that doesn't need to be plugged in is the best thing for me, because since everything needs to be plugged in and I only have one power outlet near my desk, it's such a headache to have everything plugged in. Overall, I think Melodysusie really did a great job in creating a product that is super easy to use. It's small and it's going to be an amazing tool for beginners or people who don't want to have a lot of things on their desk. By no means do I think that this product is going to replace your regular LED lamp, but I think that it's going to be great if you're doing your own nails and you just want one product to give you a lamp and a LED light and not take up so much space. I think that if that is something that you're looking for, then this is definitely a great product for you. After applying my full cover tips, I usually go in with my regular LED lamp and cure for 30 seconds. But again, I just really wanted to thank Melodysusie for the opportunity to have me review their product and share it with you guys. If this seems like something that is helpful for you, I will definitely leave the link down below. It is, I believe, $70 and they have some different options. But if you enjoyed this video, then please leave me a like down below, as it really helps this channel, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye guys.